Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to unbox this. So this is the Cupra e-racer. I think this is a new casting by Hot Wheels for this year. So I'm not really sure. So if you guys saw this car before in Hot Wheels, just let me know in the comments. So this is the first time I am actually buying this one. So okay, like I told, I bought this for 9.9 ringgit. So this I bought it in Thai World in Malaysia. So, but I didn't buy every car in the same shop. Enough. Some I bought in this particular shop, and some in Toys R Us, and some in small shops, like literally like small grocery shops kind of thing, and some in 7-Eleven as well. So a lot more to come, to be very honest with you guys. So I'm really excited to show everything to you guys. Okay, so about this car, I read a little bit, so I came to know one thing. This is this FIA, that racing. So in this one, this actually won two times uh, continuously, I guess. So this is a winner's car actually. So this one I just read it a little bit. Honestly, I'm not getting much time to do all this research and tell you guys. So this is like I'm recording this around 1:45 or 2 a.m. at this point, and I just logged out from my work and I started doing this. So and tomorrow I need to travel a lot. So why don't we just get on with it? Okay. So out of the box, wow, this car actually looks really beautiful. And I don't know if you guys are able to see it in camera. So because I'm not able to see it properly through my display, because my display is having this privacy protector and all. But if I just just put my head up and see the casting directly, the color scheme on this looks so beautiful. This is a kind of a pearlescent purple, because it looks purple like this, like a blunt purple like this, but when the light shines on this one, you can see this kind of slight, that how I can say, slight bluish hue, a glittery bluish hue on top of that purple. That looks really, honestly, really nice. And as I already told, so this one has acrylic insets for headlights. Oh, that is really cool. So for once, Hot Wheels did something really good, and the logo placement is really nice. You can see the grill detailing here. And I personally love this particular set of rims. I know I have, I think, one Sesto Elemento and one Reventon, I guess, in this with this specific set of rims. And even the detailing here in the vinyls here, it looks so nice. Okay, let me just, yeah. Okay. And on the rear, it doesn't have much of a detail. The paint is on on this side, but it is not on this side. So that's some kind of mistake, it seems. Okay, so the entire body is made of metal and the chassis is made of plastic. Honestly, it does look really cool, and it does rear view mirrors as well. It does have some scratches on the windshield, so typical Hot Wheels style, even though it's bought from Malaysia. So last time when we unboxed a lot of cars, like 90% of the car actually rolled really nice. So I was expecting the same with this set, this next two set which I'm going to unbox. So let's start with this one. And honestly, the body kit also looks really nice. You can see here the logo placement here also. Wow, something different this time. Okay, let me, I didn't even correct this time. Let's see. Okay, here it is. First try. Okay, didn't roll really well. Okay, second try. Okay, let me just put this a little bit back. Let's see how this one rolls now. Didn't reach halfway through, given that this is a winner's car. No. Okay, it doesn't have any wheel wobble or anything, as you can see. Okay, now it rolls really nice. Okay, but still it doesn't reach the end or anything. It just stops midway. Yeah. Okay, just passed, like, I'm just going to put some measurements here, maybe. Let's see. Okay, but it doesn't roll really well, but it doesn't have any wheel wobble or anything. That is really a good sign if you are playing, if you are going to play in track like this. But rest of the things looks really nice. And okay, let's weigh this car. I really forgot that. Okay, there is some issue with my done. Okay, 34 grams. Okay, that is really nice. It's a bit heavy, not too much, but it's a bit heavy. Honestly, the body it looks really nice. Okay, the spoiler is actually made of metal. If you guys are wondering, because it looks like it actually got attached to the rear windshield, but it is not. It is actually attached to the body here. Honestly, the paint job looks really awesome. So that's it for today, guys. If you like my video, thumbs up button. If you love my video, subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.